Did you know that YouTube's earnings have jumped by 150%?
Wait, what? When did this happen?
A while ago, creators were barely getting around 0.04, even 0.02 RPM. Pretty low, right? But guess what? Now they're sitting at 0.1 RPM, and some creators are even seeing 0.2 RPM. And here's the exciting part. These numbers will likely increase even more. So if you've been thinking about making YouTube Shorts, now is the perfect time.
I wish I knew which niche to start with.
Don't worry. In this video, I'll tell you 5 trending YouTube short niches with big growth potential. 3 of them are so new that hardly anyone has started working on them yet. And I'll give you examples for each one so you can see what's possible. We'll assume a minimum RPM of 10 cents for each niche, and I'll break down how much they are making based on the views on their channel. Let's jump in and find your niche. I've been looking after a lot of channels recently, and this one amazed me. Check out this channel called The AI Historian. This bad boy has only uploaded 22 videos, but each one is seriously unique. Just scroll down and look at what he's doing. He uses AI to generate these crazy historical images. So, let's break down how you can get started without breaking the bank. And no, you don't need an expensive Midjourney subscription to make these for your videos. You can use free tools like Stable Diffusion or TensorArt to create similar images. For the voiceover, free RVC models have got you covered. You just need a decent computer to run these free AI tools. Or if you're willing to invest, 11 Labs is a fantastic upgrade. If we calculate his views with 10 cents per RPM, this guy earns more than $300. History Bypass is also a similar kind of channel and has more than 7 lakh views. Our next niche is business case studies. Everyone's heard of Magnates Media, right? But here's the thing. If you dig a little, you'll see they've been dropping some shorts in this niche. And when I went searching on YouTube, guess what? There's practically no competition for this kind of content yet. On Instagram, yeah, there's a bit of action here. But on YouTube, it's wide open, fresh territory. And listen, when money's involved, this niche could be a goldmine. Imagine being one of the first to jump in. This could be huge. So if you have even a little bit of interest in case studies and are also into business, you can think of it. Our next niche is commentaries on viral videos. Let me show you this channel, Wow Recap. This channel has racked up over 17 million views. Yeah, you heard that right. This fella's making more than $1,000. And get this, the content? It's just a commentary on viral videos. Super simple. Let's take a look at one of their videos. You'll see how they're pulling it off, and trust me, it's nothing complicated.
Suddenly, this dog jumps onto the bus, grabs the bag near the driver, and brings it to this little girl. Then it starts searching under the bus like it's trying to tell her something. The girl quickly calls the driver over. When the driver rushes to their side, he's...
Brother, what the f? I can also make such type of content. I know, but the list is not over yet. Our next niche is dark stories. Check this out, Tales from the Dark Side. This channel has just launched. Yet it's already pulled in over 17,000 subscribers on YouTube. And here's the kicker. There's almost no competition for this type of content right now, but audiences can't get enough of it. So let's watch one of their videos and see how much effort they are putting in.
A father went to say goodnight to his son, as it was routine since he knew his son would have trouble sleeping if he didn't. It was a sort of silent tradition between them, one he never forgot to attend. The room was dimly lit by the lamp, but the father could clearly see there was something unusual about the kid tonight. He looked the same, just with a huge grin that drew from ear to ear. "You okay, buddy?" he asked. The son nodded, still grinning, before saying, "Daddy, check for monsters under my bed." The father chuckled and got on his knees to take a look. There under the bed was his son, his real son, pale, trembling and scared to death. He whispered, "Daddy, there's someone on my bed."
That was really creepy. Our next niche is comic stories. All right, check this channel out. They haven't posted a single short yet, but look at those views. People go crazy for stories about their favorite superheroes or anime characters.
Yeah, but here's the thing. I can't draw comics. How am I supposed to make them?
You don't need to be a pro artist. Just use your brain. Stable Diffusion can help you create an entire comic book from scratch. Here's a challenge. Search up how to make a comic using Stable Diffusion on YouTube. And hey, Let me know in the comments if this is starting to click for you. And if you're vibing with the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.